Think AI is all robots and rocket science? Think again. AI isn't just about technology, it's about you. Welcome to AI Ductor, where curiosity meets technology. We're here to explore how AI shapes your world, today and tomorrow, with empathy, creativity, and fun. From life-changing innovations to mind-bending possibilities, we dive into the exciting potential of AI. We also bring you real-life tips, relatable stories, and bite-sized AI news to make it all easy and enjoyable. And we'll connect the dots between AI and human emotions, because technology is only as powerful as the people it helps. I'm here to keep it fun and entertaining, your guide to the AI universe. I bring the facts and analysis. Let's explore the science together. Get ready for creative ideas and futuristic visions. I'll show you how AI fits into your everyday life, and I'll remind you how AI can connect with what matters most, our humanity. Subscribe to AI Ductor today and explore how AI can make your life brighter, smarter, and a lot more fun.